always been politicians, and he's been around.
Sure. So have you been in your news?
Not really. It's been pretty quiet. But don't stop sending us.
Young celebrity fall to destruction.
Tom Mesereau will get there and show and clean it up and show that this is not true. This is really how it went. But they wouldn't report that. And that went on for months.
I don't understand how these people can run out and lie. They don't even get a chance to find out the truth.
When we finally got to see what was being alleged, it just seemed so ridiculous and so far-fetched that I remember one reporter from CNN came over to me after the day that the mother testified, Janet Arvizo, and he said, "I feel so used."
Mrs. Arvizo claimed that she feared Michael Jackson so much that she thought he and his henchmen were going to put she and her family in a hot air balloon and let them sail away to their demise. That was one of probably 500 crazy things that came out of this trial that the Arvizo family were